Is that real? Don't.
Come on, it's already going.
Alright.
It's already going.
This is how you make your best friend beautiful. We already did the makeup. Now we're about to put some hair extensions in. If you want these, this will cost you about $400. But I got it for $69. You know what I'm saying? So, hold the wig in the back. You make them do all the work.
That cat.
If it fit.
Oh no.
If they hand too big, then it ain't gonna work.
It won't go on for real.
I'm about to put
No.
You might as well get in it too.
No, I'm crazy on camera.
Yeah.
No, you look alright.
I'll probably look darker than what I am now.
That's why I'm under the light.
For
See,
real?
yeah, you good. See, you look
She's
good.
smiling.
Cheesing on the camera too. See, that's good.
Yeah.
Before and after.
And this is
Yeah,
what you
brush.
get.
You gonna win? You gotta
I made
brush
her a
it.
celebrity in 1 minute. I beat Twister.
You're a minute woman, huh?
Yep. That's how you do it. That's it.
Do I look
You need
legally
a
blonde?
brush.
Brush.
We got it. We got this.
You gonna pin that up a little?
It got some little clips in here now.